to start cutting out the straw board. Line it properly, give it a firm pressure. Make sure it is exactly on the line. Now with your cutting knife, don't go too deep yet. You're going to go over twice. Do a slight cut to establish the groove. Slight cut. Don't let the pressure be too much. I'll go over it again. And press it deeper. Press it properly. Press it in more. And make sure you press down. You press down the do it again. Make sure you do this on a very steady table. It doesn't shake. So we have this. It's out. A clean cut. We have this nicely cut. Set this aside and complete this. And then you take the other edge, turn it around. By the time you perfect using it, you know the right pressure when you want to cut. But I prefer to cut twice, because if you exert too much pressure the first time, I'm going in another direction. I'm going to cut off this line still. Once, the second time, very firmly goes off. Has to be perfect. You need good lighting to see this properly. Once, twice. I trash this. I don't need this either. I'll use this for another box. So we have our 16 by 16. Look at it again. The lines, the calibration on the straw, on the healing mat. Make sure it's perfect. We have it perfect. So I'll set this aside. Now I'm going to cut out the 13 by 13. Let's put this here. I'm going to apply the same principles. Make sure the lines are. So press it down firmly and take it over it slightly. A second time. Was it detaching? It's detaching. Let's do it. Then this end. We'll set this aside. Now I want to remove this 13. I'm going to cross check. This is 13. So this is my cut line. Remove this so you don't get confused. Also remove this, not wanted. One, two. You see, the self-healing mat is still smooth. So we have our 13 by 13 now. We have the two of them ready. It's following our design. So this is the base, and this is the cover. See, this is the cover. This is the base. So I'm going to the next stage where we're going to cut out this design. Let's wait.